You know you're ready here. I want you to start it now.
Yeah, you're up on the regular stream, and looks like you're also streaming. Looks like they got you started streaming. And pull up the comments.
Where's the camera? Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Good evening, everybody. I'm Stephen Kalayjian. Welcome to SK Trading Live. We are here live because the demand is through the roof. Right, through the roof. Everybody wants to learn how to trade the Asian markets. To me, this is a phenomenal 2 hours from 8 to 10. We're going to have a little bit of an experiment here tonight. Usually the gold market and the S&P futures markets are really the ones to really trade here. Not much really going on in oil here. I'm so excited. We had a phenomenal day here with our trading community at SK Trading. Every day I stream from 9 to 4. And this Tokyo session, if you're tuning in from in the United States or Asia or anywhere else in the world, thank you for joining me here tonight. Again, this is from so many people asking me to help them again during the Asian markets. Now, the one good thing about this market, if you're trading a prop account like my funded futures, and if you type in the code SK, you get 10% off. I will tell you that, this is a market that there is no margin. That's right. So, for example, last night I was working with somebody and talking to them, and they were trading this session in real time, and their margins, just doing 2 micros, were astronomical. I think they were $2,000 to $3,000. But trading a prop account, really, there is no margin here. And the one beautiful thing about having a prop account, if you just take a step back, right, and you start thinking that if you're able to make $200 every single day, I'm just going really simple, $200 every single day trading the S&Ps or gold, right? And you have 5 accounts. That's $1,000 a day. That's $22,000. That's $22,000 a month. At 90%, what they pay you is $19,700. Now, I can't see anything. Okay, so you got to really understand that there's a way I try to simplify things. Can you bring it down? Okay.
Don't touch it.
Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is that, in the markets that we're in every single day, there is significant opportunities. I've been trading now 42 years now, over 42 years, and basically my methodology, I spent nearly 10 years of my life building this. Just to show you here, all my strategies are based upon buy and sell divergences. My indicator 4 gives me the ability to see market direction. It's my algorithm, which gives me the ability to see which way the markets are going, to be able to be on the right side of the market. However, with that being said, when you have the conditions that I'm going to tell you, each condition has a buy and a sell divergence. So basically, what you're able to see here, it's really about understanding the patterns. So, for example, when the S&P futures, of course, right before we came on, pushed up right here, you can see the push up. This was a classic. Oh my God, 74. I would have looked to short this because there's 2 sell divergences here. One sell divergence, the price made a new high The MACD on the 15-minute time frame did not confirm. And 2, on the price push up, if you draw your horizontal line here, the MACD on the 5-minute did not confirm. So again, what's really important is to really understand that when you're looking at the markets, all right, you want to trade based upon divergences. Now, okay, so normally the Tokyo session, you'll get anywhere between 4 to 6 great trades in a day. The thing about the Tokyo session is that sometimes it takes a little time to get going. Okay, is it live? They're asking. Okay, but the thing is that what's important, okay, is that you're able to trade the markets with no margin and to be able. Last week we had one. I think we made several $100s, and people who had multiple accounts did it across all their different accounts. So really super excited about that. Again, my funded futures, if you type in the code SK, you get 10% off on any plan. Okay. All right. Also, what's important here is that we look at the patterns, we wait for the patterns, and that's what's really critical here. S&P futures aren't really doing anything. Again, I'm more of a short seller here. I believe that the markets are way overextended, especially after what happened today. And again, if you're a beginner, okay, just getting started, you're in the right place. I've trained people who don't know zero to very successful traders. Does it take time? Absolutely. This is not some get rich quick, place where you're going to jump in and after 2 days you're going to own a Lamborghini. No, sir. The people that are here are the people that are dedicated, who work hard, who have perseverance, who have the ability to want to learn, ask questions, be proactive. These are the types of people that obviously are the traders in my community that become significantly successful. The stories, my text messages blow up at the end of every night from the thanks and the well-wishing, and so happy to be part of SK community here at SK Trading. And for me, it just seems that, can you address some of these questions here? Sound is late. And what's really important here, okay, is that it's important to really understand the value of why we do this type of session, because there is some really significant moves here in the Tokyo session. And what made me realize it is I was just sitting here one night and I saw these markets. I called a bunch of friends and we started going trade. They started trading with it, I'm like, oh my God, this is great. I just made $800 tonight. I made 500. I made 300. I made 1,200. One guy made 1,800 one night. So again, it was just all basically just a fluke, and then it just spread, and then the demand was just overwhelming here. So that's why I'm here tonight. Okay. Where can you purchase one of these t-shirts? I believe on my website, sktrading, okay, .live. All right. Okay. Let's see it. $10 million I did. All right. So also, for anybody new here, okay, we do have a plan here. Tonight, I'm going to break down the markets when it's slow here. The gold market, the S&P market, the oil. Oil, it doesn't really move much in the Asian markets here. But we're also going to have a really good special here. I decided that in order to trade this market, people... Oh, here we go. Let's see what's going to happen here. Gold's starting to get pushed down here. But prop firms don't reward skills, they punish. Right. Guess what? I help execute... Okay, and no. That's not accurate. There are some really good firms out here. My Funded Futures, okay, is great. The Legends Trading is great too. Both, they use the codes SK. They are phenomenal here. There goes the NASDAQ. Boom, right back up 20. Okay, so with that being said, okay, good job, Trey Golf, on the NASDAQ long. So what I'm trying to say to you here is that if you're trading the markets, okay, and you don't have the capital, prop firms are a way, but I show you a way that I think you could become significantly successful. If you have the mentality to try to make 10 points a day on the S&P or NASDAQ, maybe you make 20 points a day, I just tell you that that it is very, very powerful. A lot of people are down on prop firms because of the war stories you hear, but I will tell you, I will not mention any firm that I think is not credible, where I don't know the owners, where if there's a problem, I could pick up the phone on behalf of the customer and call the owner. So I am truly blessed to be able to be good friends with these people. My Funded Futures is a great firm and staggering good technology, great technology. But again, it's really up to all of you to be able, and you may want to trade your own money if you have enough money to cover the margin costs here. Okay, all right. Gold is getting cabooshed here. It just dropped about $3 here. I'm looking to see if these S&Ps can push up here. Hey, William, how are you? Okay, all right. We have people from all over here. Okay. Okay. Also, like I said, for anybody new here, we have a code here, special code welcome 10 to sktrading.live. You get 10% off on any plans here as well. Also, in the Asian session here, also if you're using, like I said, trading your own money, please check your margin activity. Okay, here. All right. Hey, hello from Chicago. I can't see all these things, Michael. They're blocking it here. Okay, you got to see everything here. Okay. All right. Hello from Chicago, Nigeria. How are you? Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Trevor. Hey, Trevor. What's up, Trevor? Trevor is in the house. I know Trevor ever since he was this big. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So basically what we're looking at here, the way I look at the market, I look on the market based upon three multiple time frames. The 15, the 30, and the 60-minute time frames. S&P futures puts them out at 72 if it gets up there, right? Hello from Morocco. Also, what's important here is that basically my three time frames, the 15, the 30, and the 60-minute time frame, are the time frames I look at, all based upon indicator 4, which is my algorithm, which gives me the ability to identify the conditions in the market, right? So you can have you have three time frames, 5 conditions, the S&Ps. And then basically what happens is you have 5 conditions in the market. You have a trend like we had today, where, for example, the SPY right here reversed to buy on the 15-minute time frame right here, reversed here. Now we caught this big sell divergence right here early in the morning. When it pushed up, you can see that the MACDs did not confirm the high we called a great short. They dropped 30 points on the S&P. The 15 reversed to buy. It correlated with its 30 and 60-minute time frame, and then guess what? Up and away. You can see the 30 here when the S&Ps, the spiders reversed to buy. Now, one thing that a lot of people don't know, okay, is that when you're trading the futures markets, whether it's NASDAQ, S&P, gold, oil, you need to look at the underlying ETFs because the math is completely different. I look at what's called RTH, regular hours, okay, from 9:30 to 4 for the underlying ETF. And when you're trading the futures markets, you let them run 22 plus 22 hours and 45 minutes. It's a continuous contract. So the math is completely different. Okay, one has more data than the other, and I've taught this to some of the top guys in the world. And if you want to trade the Asian markets or the European markets, you could just trade the continuous contract just outright. Okay, all right. Now, with that being said, it's really important to understand that you have the 3 time frames, 5 conditions: a trend, a buy reversal, sell reversal, correlation and disconnect. This is how I teach every single day. And then you have 10 strategies, a buy and a sell divergence for each of the conditions in the market. So I make it very simple. I make it elementary to see and identify these patterns. All the strategies are based upon divergent strategies, all right? Based upon divergences here. So again, of course, the Tokyo session is a little quiet now, but we'll wait patiently because one of my 5 keywords is patience. You have to be consistent. You have to be disciplined. You're going to have confidence, patience, and passion. Today, gentleman was with me. He waited patiently to short the S&Ps near the end of the day. Shorted them. They dropped 6, and I think they dropped 5. And he covered, and he said, I waited 15 minutes for that pattern. And that's what you got to do, right? When you're patient and you understand the strategy, you can see the divergences. It really does matter, okay? All right, gold just rallied about $1.50 just now. All right. And, all right, let's see. Go Dogs. Go Dogs. How about them dogs that ranked 5th in the country? Texas, Penn State, Oregon, Ohio State, Georgia, top 5. Oh, no. My daughter's... Well, I'm trying to go to the Texas-Georgia game in Athens. You can't even get a hotel room 3 hours away. I'm telling you. Damn. Go Dogs. I don't know. My daughter used to tell me she'd be running past the football complex and hearing Coach Kirby screaming at the top of his lungs at everybody. Pretty funny there. All right. Let's see here. All right. Gold, if gold gets a bounce here, negative MACDs on the 5 should be, hello from Europe. Hello. What part of Europe? Okay. All right. First time here, stick around. Okay. Gold path today. Well, gold right now, I think gold's right now, let me look at gold actually on the bigger time frames here. You got to look at the bigger time frames on gold. You can see gold here is the 30 minutes bullish, the 60 is bearish. So you have what's called a buy disconnect, the 15 and the 30. If the 15s reverse the sell, we're going to look to short bounces here. All right, there you go. Okay, S&P futures just bounced, just rallied about 2.5 here. I was about to short that gold there, 38. Jesus, 38.5. All right. Hey, from Croatia, how are you? Very good to hear you. Okay, hook 'em. Hey, Jared Johnson. All right. Again, we'll get some activity. Last time it took us till about 8:40 before we took the first trade. It took some time. So this gives me a really good time to really go over a lot of concepts. The way I look at my charts, I have my indicators, the numbers to the right. It's important that when you're in my live stream every day to understand my chart overlay. It's built on TradingView. It's also built on TradeStation. This is what I'm using right now. But more so the fact, once you understand my indicators, 1, 2, 3, 4, the numbers to the right, understanding the methodology, but also understanding how to be able to trade the market, my terminology. Then the 4th thing is to learn my strategies. And the 5th most important has 2 components. Okay. Hey, from Miami, drywall. I live in Jupiter, Florida. Love it here. Gold making new lows here. Gold's getting kabooshed. Okay. But one thing I will tell you, okay, is that the 5th part is very important. One, you need to learn how, because we like to scale into a trade. Scaling in is important. But also understanding how to use the matrix, the DOM, the way you execute. A bunch of people I know like to execute off the chart. I show them the difference between executing on a chart and then executing on a DOM, boom, 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 putting the orders in. I think, to me, I like the DOM better, the matrix or the DOM, whatever. But for me, I think it's important that when you're trading the markets, you want to be able to be a tool that you like. If you like trading from the charts, great. If you like trading from the matrix or the DOM like I do, I love it. Okay? All right. Okay. All right. I was looking to short that gold. See, that gold just pushed up right here to 38.5, right? 98.5. 98.80. I was looking to go 99.5. See the negative MACDs here? Got sell divergences here. S&Ps are dropping here now. Come on. All right. All right. Okay, you can see the number here, 3394.85. If we take that number out, gold will reverse to sell on its 15-minute time frame, and we'll go into what's called a sell disconnect, which means to both time frames, the 15 and the 60-minute time frame, will be in sell mode, and we'll be looking for bounces to get short. Okay, S&Ps just dropped too. I had the right idea to try to get up. If they got up to 72, they just got up to like 70 and a quarter, a half. Again, it took us, like I said, till about 8:40. What about Dow Jones 30? I don't look at the YMs. I mean, you know, for me, the mother of all indexes is the S&P. So to me, that's, you know, okay. Not scammy here. Not me. 42 years in the game. So, okay. Okay. So I use what I call combination methodology, and basically my research has shown me by using various indicators like the MACD, my algorithm, my oscillator here, and be able to look at the and my indicator 2, which is using the directional movement with the ADX, and using these all in combination. This is why I call this a combination methodology point here. So so that to me is something that you know, that to me is to be able to teach. Okay, so if you're not welcome here if you're going to start harassing. Okay, all right. So basically, again, this is my goal here, is to be able to encompass you, to empower you, to be able to trade the markets, to be able to see the markets, to be able to understand these patterns that I see repeat themselves on a daily basis. Okay, and it really is an unbelievable opportunity for individuals. I've seen the results daily by people all around the world, and it gives me a lot of great joy to be here. I trade, I also teach, I'm also guiding people, I'm teaching them an opportunity where they can trade the markets and be successful. Again, it's something that I see very each and every day, where people are trading, again, whether they're trading their own money or they're trading in the various different funded accounts or prop accounts, which, be honest with you, I knew about them in the past, but now I see the explosion of them. And but again, it really is truly something that I really want to help people with in regard to just being successful. The stories I've seen in the last 8 months of people just telling me the results of what they're doing. Do some people fail? Absolutely. Those are the ones I think don't put the time in, and the ones that think they're going to get this in 1 to 2 days. So with that being said, of course, like I said, last time we were here, it took us about 40 minutes before the market started to wake up. Unfortunately, right now, there really isn't anything here to do here. All right. So if anybody has any questions, okay. And I am studying and trading crypto and stocks. Is that okay, or should I study? Well, if you're 16 years old, it's good to study anything. Crypto, stocks, my algorithms work on crypto as well. But again, if you really want to learn something, try to learn the futures markets. To me, I think this is where the real explosion is. Harvey Gordon, how are you, Harvey? Okay. Well, we're going to start offering the Asian session once a week, and we're going to discuss that. Okay. You could use the code Tokyo2+1, Tokyo2+1, if you'd like to join, and that's going to be about $69 a month, $69.95 a month, and that will be once a week, every single week for the month. And so I really enjoy it though here. Let's see here. This gold looks like it's going to reverse. Come on, S&Ps, give me one more push up here. All right. Again, your goal, if you could do this here, I don't look at XAU. Okay. All right. Yes, I teach algorithmic trading. This is exactly what I teach. Do you trade options? If so, what option strategies? I don't trade options. I know a lot of option strategies. I have people who trade very, very successful trading options intraday, especially stocks like Tesla and other big cap names. They know the patterns, they see it, and they're very active. Some people trade anywhere between 50 and 700 to 1,000 contracts in any given name. Okay, and so that's important. Look at this gold getting absolutely kabooshed. Look at this gold getting kabooshed here. Oh my God, gold just dropped about $4.50 here. All right. Okay. All right. Let's see here. I do not look at XAU USD. Okay, just going to be all right. Puff puff pass. I have no idea what that means. Hello from Toronto, Canada. Hello, Sarah Fox. How are you? Take a gold long here, just a scalp long here. 93. Go 93.40 and 92.40. Just take a scalp long. I'm located in Jupiter, Florida. Here. I'm located in Jupiter, Florida. This is in the Asian market. This is where people like to trade. Again, if you're trading a prop account, there is no margin versus people who are trading their own account, where the margin could be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times the amount. Okay, very, very, very. Cancel the gold. Very, very important in the way you're trading. So I can't believe it. Jesus, Lord God. Buy gold at 93.20, 92.20. Okay, if it pushes down. We'll just see if we can get a push here. Okay. All right. What did it just trade down to here? These negative. Oh, I would have bought it 40. Damn it. All right. Go raise it to 40, 93.40, 92.40. Should have bought it. All right. Gold right now is negative here. You can see that the ADX is rising here. Okay. Okay. ADX is rising, negative MACDs. The 15 is about to reverse to sell. So we'll look to short the next bounce here. S&Ps, of course, aren't doing anything. Usually gold is, okay. Hey, Victoria. Piera, how are you? How are you, Victoria? Flagler County. There you go. There you go. All right. Okay, this is more, this type of trading here is the trading that I teach. Again, during the day, there's two types of trading. There's intraday trading, meaning scalp trading and pattern trading. And basically, that's what we do here every day. We try to move the needle in every way where we're constantly consistent. Damn, those freaking S&Ps. What we try to do here is just to every day hit singles and doubles where we're able to be consistent along the way. When I work with some of the biggest hedge funds in the world, and cancel the gold. Basically what we're able to do here is to teach the methodology for you, my methodology that I spent nearly 10 years of my life forward testing. I do not believe in back testing at all. I'll explain my indicators in a minute. Hey, Bob Smith from West Point. Okay. What are they saying about Instagram here? Well, I think S&Ps here, buy some at 97.5. Look at this gold. Damn it. I had it. Shoot. This gold's going to rally. Damn it. It hit my number too. Oh, Victor. Victor Piera. Sorry, Victor. So basically, look at this gold rally too. Jesus, it went right to my number. Damn it. All right. Okay. S&Ps. I think the market's beyond overextended. Cancel my S&P bid. I think the market is beyond overextended here. All right. Anybody get that gold long there? No. I was 93. What was I? 93.40. Then I lowered it. 93 and a half, and then I lowered it. Why is it tough to trade Asian with prop? No, it's not. It's hard to trade real capital if you have a real account. Okay. Hello from Calgary. Okay. We need a caboose to 5,700. Absolutely. Okay. What's going to cause it? I have no idea. Okay. But it will happen. The reason why, look at these S&Ps. Hit 7.5. Okay. So, all right, we'll start picking up soon here. It's not tough to trade the Asian markets because there's no margin activity. Okay, there is zero margin activity, meaning that you don't have to worry about a margin on trading on a prop account. If you have your money at E-Trade or Schwab or TradeStation, oh my God, look at this gold. Jesus, Lord God, 260. Your thoughts on my thoughts on Bitcoin? I think the same thing. Bitcoin's going to pull in. Remember, if you look at my X, okay, my Twitter, gold up 3. Jesus, Lord God. If you look at my X going back to the end of March, April, you see that I called the low. I said I would back up the truck or whatever I said, look to buy everything. Bitcoin 74,000. The market's not breaking 4,800. We're going to go easily to 5,500. Be back. And yeah, let me show you this pattern. Okay, I'm going to just show you how I was able to identify this here. Okay. If you look here, okay, on the weekly charts. Oh my God. Short some, let me see something. Hold on. If you look here on the weekly, okay, now this is the buy here on the algorithm. We got the buy here on the week of April 25th. You see this right here? Okay. Oh, London session, absolutely, but I'm not getting up at 3 o'clock in the morning. I did that, okay? And then if you look here, the algorithm reversed to buy, and it correlated with the daily and the monthly. Okay, it correlated with the daily and the monthly. Short some gold here at 96.80. It's small. Okay, it's going to go. It can probably go up to 98. Okay, and then this is the first pullback on the daily. My algorithm getting oversold. This is the first pullback on the daily. Okay, after the weekly correlated with the daily and the monthly. We never look back. Look at this, 57.50 on the S&Ps. Okay, look at it now. Another pullback here. Okay, now look at this pattern here. This is a huge bear flag. Here's a gap. Boom. Okay, here's a gap. Boom. Here's a gap. The big one. Here's the big one, Alice, right here. Look, 62. 567.5. So that's where I think we're going to end up going. What is the likelihood? Better than none. I mean, look at this. You're making new highs here, and the MACDs are non-confirming on the bigger time frames. Oh my God, gold. Look at this. I can't. I'm looking down. I'm missing the gold. Look at this. Unbelievable drop. Unbelievable. What was the high? 96.80. Of course. 96.80 was the high. Okay. Let's see here. What instruments in the London session? You could use you could trade the DAX. You could trade the Euro Stoxx 50 futures. You could trade the S&Ps. You could trade the NASDAQ futures. Okay. NASDAQ's pretty good. You could trade. Oh my God, gold just dropped too. What a bear flag. I cancel the gold. Jesus. See, I looked down. That's what happened. I never normally look down. And then you could trade the index futures, the 30-year bonds. You could trade the foreign exchange markets, the euro, the pound, the New Zealand dollar, Aussie dollar. You can go the pound dollar. Then you could do all their yens, okay? So is crude good during London? Absolutely, okay? Absolutely. The Tokyo session does move like snails. He's right. But there are times when it does get going here. Okay. Okay. Look at that gold. Jesus, Lord God. All right. Anybody from my community here trading any of these names here? I can't see anybody. Where's the our community here? Michael, I'm just gonna move all this here. Move this here. Minimize that here. Top of the evening, Gordon Gecko. All right, my brother. Oh, come on, do something. All right, do something. Hey, James Robertson, how are you? Buy some S&P, buy 66.5. All right, see if you get one down there too. Whatever, go 66.5. Go 60. Go 6.5. Go 65. You took the gold short. That was a good short. Short this gold here again. Gold short 96 and 96.80, 97.80. Okay. All right. 96.80 gets up there. Okay, go 97.80. Okay. Hey, Jocks, how are you? James T. How are you? Where's my other questions here? They disappeared, Michael.
You moved them off your screen.
Well, all right. Show me where they are now. Can you fix it? Okay. Can you fix it?
Yeah, I'm in a trade, so.
No, I don't care. Just fix it. Just fix it here. Okay. Hey, Vasco. How long did it take to get consistent? Well, I was just really, really focused. You got to be consistent constantly here. Move it to the right if you're possible. Hey, Aaron. How are you, Aaron? To the right. Keep going. Hey, Aaron. Thank you. I'm doing great. Hey, George Grego, how are you? Okay. Oh, brother. All right. Very quiet here. Very, very quiet. You join the community by sktrading.live. sktrading.live here. Okay? All right. I'm so embarrassed. I can't even tell you. Look at this gold. Jesus, I keep missing this gold. All right. Let's see here. What do I call the green flag? Where's the green flag? What's the green flag? What is she talking about? Green flag. Oh, no. Let's see here. Again, hello, Anad. Okay, Alex, Aaron, how are you? Gold, buy or sell? Gold, I'm looking to short the next bounce here. Okay. All right. Let's get out of the S&P 66.5. Let's get out.
The green flag's the can, she's talking about the sticks.
What's the, oh, these are not. These are bar data. This is bar data. I do not look at candles. I do not look at candles here at all. Okay. If I only had a brain. All right. I don't look at candles. They're not candles. Okay? They're bar data. I can't look at the red and green candles. My head will explode. Okay? To be consistent, well, it's a form of discipline, right? That's how I look at it. Okay? All right. All right. So let's see if this gold can get cancel the gold short. The 15s might turn up. I'll wait until they negative MACDs here, though. Normally, the gold market is they are handles. Yes, every point on the S&P is called a handle, right? Okay. All right. All right. So the way I look at the market here, again, I use so when you hear me say a MACD is positive. A MACD is positive here when the yellow line is over the blue. This is my pivot line. My pivot line basically gives me the ability to identify where the MACD is. MACDs can only do two things. A MACD could be positive above the pivot, yellow over blue, or negative above the pivot. And a MACD can be negative or positive from below the pivot. Now, there are strategies I have that are for both, okay? Again, everything I do is based upon divergence patterns, okay? And again, it's really predicated on the markets in a way that it depends on the pattern. If I'm scalping anywhere from 4 to 10, maybe 12. If it's positioned, it could be bigger, up to 30. Okay. All right. Again, the type of trading we do during the day here is what we do here is we trade the market based upon patterns, okay? And we trade the markets basically based upon looking at also scalp trades. So for example, today when the spiders reversed to buy and we were buying pullbacks here, this is the 15-minute. We caught this really great long on the 5-minute time frame earlier. Okay, look at this gold right back down. Jesus, I can't catch a break on this gold. Okay, and then this was this really big, once you saw the MACD is positive, the ADXs are rising, and then when you see here the little blip down, the ADX is rising, I said they're going to explode. They pulled in here nicely around the 145. They pushed up roughly here. They roughly about 8 handles. Then at the end of the day, they got some deep oversold conditions here and caught a nice long here at the end of the day. And that really was the patterns off the 15. Normally you'll get anywhere you'll get probably from 2 to 4 great trades a day on the 15. Okay. Okay, and normally on the 5-minute time frame, you'll get anywhere from 4 to 6 great trades a day. Microsoft, if I just show you even stocks like Microsoft today, you can see the way we look at the combination methodology here. And I'll move this over to the 15-minute time frame. Microsoft reversed to buy here at 9:45. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, again, you can see the 30-minute reverse to buy. So now the 30-minute and the 15 correlated with its 60-minute time frame. And then what do you look to do? You look to buy all pullbacks on the 5-minute time frame. This is a monster pattern here on Microsoft right after the it pushed up. Here was a nice long on the first oversold condition. Here's another long. You can see that everything's, here's a beautiful long here on the 15. And this was a really great long. Look at this gold drop. Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. Okay, now the gold is going to reverse to sell here on the 15. And then this pattern right here, this was a really good pattern on Microsoft. You can see the run up about $2.50. And then we took some sell divergences this year when the MACDs were negative here. And then you can see the push up here at the end of the day. So basically, you'll get anywhere from 4 to 6 great trades on the 5-minute time frame, and anywhere from 2 to 4 on the 60-minute time frame. I really tell you the truth, I'm very surprised here. It's already 40 minutes into the night, and there really hasn't been much. Very uncommon. Last couple times we were doing this, very, very, very busy. Okay. Hello. FRK Solo, how are you? Okay, all right. I'm not looking to do anything in the S&Ps right now. Right now, I'm just seeing if the 15s can get deeply oversold here. Again, with the MACDs negative here on the 15-minute time frame, I said if we do get any push up here, I'm a short seller. Okay, I'm a short seller here. You can see we started the session right around here. S&P's got up to 72. I was looking for more of a push up here. Gold is really, I think, the best pattern. I think gold is definitely the best pattern here, the best trading vehicle. So that's that, okay? I like to scalp. But there's nothing to scalp right now. Usually the trades last anywhere from 1 to 8 bars. Okay, let's see here. And again, what's really important also is you can see how the MACDs are negative here, okay? And what's really important also, if you look at the 30-minute time frame, you can see the MACDs turn negative here. So this push up right here to 74, this MACD did not confirm the high here, okay? And so basically your real mission here is to trade the session where you're able to trade and make a couple $100. I mean, there are some sessions I've seen where people are really killing at $600, $700, $800, $900, and if you have more than multiple accounts, well, it really adds up. It really does add up, I have to tell you. And so most people have between 2 to 5 accounts. Some people go to the extreme where they'll have anywhere from 5 to 10, and some actually have 20 accounts if you're trading prop. Okay, again, if you go to My Funded Futures, use the code SK. All right, you save 10% there on My Funded Futures. Okay, all right. Also, buy Meta. Meta's not trading right now. Okay, Meta was a really pretty good day here in Meta. Overall, let's put the gold up here. I like the gold here. Okay, let's put the gold up here. Okay, I think this market's going to drop here. I'm so bearish. I can't even tell you. Look at the daily on the S&Ps here. Look at this pattern. You're 91 points from the 10 bar. You're making new highs, non-confirmation. Oh, they're finished. I don't like them here at all. Okie dokie. Let's see if this gold can get a push up here. Hello. Hello from Canada. Okay, hello from Canada. 33.92 on gold. Well, it could get there. It could get there. Okay. Let's see here. Victor, how are you, Victor? Okay. All right, let's see if this gold can get a push up here. I'm going to put the gold up here. Gold really moves pretty well here. Okay, gold moves pretty well here. All right. Does anybody have any questions here at all? All right, anybody have any questions here? Okay. Boom, S&Ps. What? Oh, there we go, baby. There we go. Here we go. If you're long the S&Ps here, I'd sell these. I just sold mine out. Oh my God, where the hell did that come from? Oh yeah, there you go. 68.5. Boom. Kaboom. 69, baby. There you go. Oh my God, they just ran 3. I don't even know if I think I'm still long here. Michael. God. I think I'm so long here. Oh my God almighty. NASDAQ, boom! Good job, Aaron. Okay, well, join me here at sktrading.live every single day, 9 to 4. All right, you know I had a 65 bid on the S&P. I think I bought. I think I bought him. I don't know where Michael went though. I don't know how to see what the hell he did here. I don't know where he went here now. S&P's just shot right up. My God, I had a 65 bid. I think the low was 65 and a quarter though, on the S&Ps. James Robertson, you weren't long, right? Look at this, 65 and a quarter. Oh my God Almighty. Let me see what my position is here though. I gotta see what my position is here though. Oh man, good. Would have been a good short there. All right, Michael.
Yeah.
S&Ps, am I flat?
Yeah,
It just
flat.
traded up to 69.
No, you're flat S&Ps.
All right. Okay. What's it saying? That what's that? 67 here. What is that?
You got out of it. That's about flat.
It has no loss.
Fees.
Hmm?
Fees.
Oh. One contract?
No, it was more than one.
$7 in fees?
On the spread.
All right. That was quick. Okay. All right. Well, they did something there. All right. I was trying to buy 65s. Can you believe it? Look at the low, 65 and a quarter. Jesus. Nasdaq, oh, they're short. Nasdaq just dropped 13. I didn't look at the Nasdaq. I'm not really a Nasdaq guy. Okay, I'm really just an S&P guy, really. But I mean, I do look at the Nasdaq. Again, if you're going to look at the Nasdaq, you want to look at the underlying ETFs. Okay. Okay. Oh my God Almighty. Frankie Uch, you get that long? Wow. What do I think about the bullish stock? What the hell does that mean? No, never ticked at 65, Aaron, did it? 65 and a quarter. I was bidding 65. I did not get filled. Come on. All right. 15s are getting deeply oversold here. Okay. James from Melbourne? Let me see, where is he here? JT? How are you, JT? Good job. Yeah, so that's why I was saying that 65 long, but they never got there. Look at BLSH. I mean, do I have to really? Comes out tomorrow. I mean, I'm really looking at futures here. I was looking to no, 64, 65. It never, Frank, it never got filled. No, because the 15s are getting oversold here, Frank. I think we turn up from here. Do I have to really look at this BLSH? You're going to torture me here, BLSH? It's not available. It's coming out tomorrow. So what the hell am okay. If you own it, great. I would sell it. Gold, what a bear flag. Jesus, 90, what was I, 96.80. Just dropped 3. Jesus Christ. These S&Ps are going to turn up here. 15s are going to turn up. S&Ps could shoot up to 70.5, 71. Equities are for RTH. Okay. Okay. All right. Damn it. See, that's what happens with the Asian markets. Boom. I was here one time, the S&Ps ran 25 straight up. Boom. Well, on the Trump tariff news. Okay. Oh, brother. Gold gonna push down again. I'm looking to buy. You want to buy it? All right. You got 80x's are rising here. I don't know about that. Come on, do something here. Jesus. Gotta wait here. Unbelievable. Jesus, Lord God Almighty. This is what happens August on an Asian night, Tokyo night. Jesus. All right, gold just rallied a little bit here. All right. Wow, S&Ps, but what a spike up to 869.5. Boom, that was fast. 693 Jesus. Nine o'clock, the Chinese market opens, so then we'll see some action here in the gold as well. We're looking at S&Ps and we're looking at gold. That's how we look at the market. Mindstone Trading, how are you? Jared Johnson, how are you? Okay. Let's see what's going on. Oh my God, somebody ring the bell here. Come on, I did this special tonight here. Come on. Freaking NASDAQ just dropped 16. S&Ps just dropped 2.5. Good day, my friend. How are you? Rishi, hey, Rishi, how are you? All right, let's see. S&P's right back down, drop 3 here. All right, we got 4 minutes to the, geez, this is a real slow Asian session. One pop, boom. How many contracts traded on that S&P there? Not about 1,400, not bad. St. Barth, Melvin. St. Barth, man, beautiful. You got to use the code for the Tokyo session. It's Tokyo, TOKYO 2+1. If you want to use the other code for the special offer, it's the Welcome 10. That's for the SK Trading.live every day from 9 to 4. Shanghai opens at 9:30. That's correct. I forgot. Right. Okay. Good evening, Sir Nye. How are you? Freaking S&P's dropped 3. Of course, Michael, that's when you had to go to the bathroom. Right. Wonderful. Yeah. You're never leaving. Go to the bathroom ahead of time. Okay? Really. You leave right when the S&Ps leave, make a spike like that. Frank, even at night, he's got to torture me, Frank. Right? I mean, really. I'm telling you. Right? Even at night, he says, I'll be right back. You know, like really, I mean, get prepared. You know you're going to be here for 2 hours. You walk out, the S&Ps go from 5.25 to 9.75. And then I'm like, where did this kid go? I'll be right back. And he bolts out the door. I mean, even at night session, I got to get tortured. I'm serious. James Robertson, help me, good buddy. Please, somebody. Aaron, can you help me, please? Aaron, there's no more bathroom breaks. You come here prepared. Go pee in a cup or something. I don't care. Do something.
20,000 shares today.
I don't really care. That's nothing. But you know you're going to be here. I'm prepared. I'm 62. You don't see me running around doing whatever. I adopted a dog, Hendrix. I saved his life 30 minutes. What an ordeal last Friday. The whole community heard it. My ex-wife sends me a picture. I said, what's my dog Coda kissing this woman for? She goes, that's not your dog. Hey, Robert Courtwright Jr., what's up, brother? And then I said, that dog's not going anywhere. She said, that dog's going to get killed tomorrow. Forget it. It was an all-out blitz. to save this dog. I got this dog coming from Texas. His name's Hendrix. And guess who's going to replace Michael?
I'm gonna train him.
My man, Robert Courtwright. Say hello to your father and your uncle. God bless you. I hear you guys are doing great, man, at Drive Wealth. I'm so proud. I'm so happy. I'm bringing my dog Hendrix in. He'll be right here, right? And then little by little, I'll trade him to put orders in. Hendrix, sell 3,000, sell 5,000. Woof, woof, woof. He'll be barking, putting the orders in. My man Hendrix, right? James Robertson. He's coming from the good old state of Houston, Texas. I don't need an extra. I need someone new. How many patterns are there? Probably about. Well, they're all divergence patterns, right? He's a Shepherd Lab. Shepherd Lab. Let me see. I have a picture of him. You guys want to see a picture of Hendrix? I'll show you a picture of my Coda Bear. Okay. Okay. Let me see if I have a picture. This is my picture of my Coda Bear. This is a picture of my Coda right here. That's my Coda. He's a Shepherd Coonhound. He was a rescue. My daughter saved him at 8 weeks. And then I'll show you a picture here. Oh, gold. Here. Ah, shoot. I was going to buy that fucking gold. All right. Short some gold if it gets up to 96. All right. And then this is Hendrix. I'll show you my dog Hendrix. Okay. He's coming. He's going to replace Michael. Let me see if I get a picture of him. Now, look at this. If you tell me this is... I swear I thought this was my dog. This is Hendrix. He's coming. He's a rescue. I saved his life 30 minutes before they're going to put an injection in him. Okay? Okay? Jeez, there goes the gold. All right. Hendrix will go out there, open the door, run across street, pee, and run right back and start entering orders. Right? It's unbelievable. Robert Courtwright, tell everybody I said hello, okay? Seriously. All right, so we had a really good day on the S&Ps. Again, the most important thing is if you're trading gold, if you're trading S&Ps, your goal is to try to make 10 and 10 every single day, if not more, okay? We didn't have one stop out today on the index futures. It was a really great day, trending all the way. But once those MACDs went negative, okay, come down to Jupiter, Florida, my friend. It's beautiful down here, okay? Gold reverse to sell. You want to look to short balances here. Short some gold at 97, 98 as well, all right? If you look here, damn, I was going to freaking buy that at 93 and a half. Fuck. All right, if you look here, once the MACDs turn negative here on the S&P futures, you can see this is the short we called at the end of the day right here. We were 68 to 73 range. It pushed up to 70, and then they got kabooshed right here. Okay? And then really beautiful pattern here on the short, making new highs here. The MACDs non-confirm on the 15 and the 30-minute time frame. Did I sell gold at 96?
No, you didn't.
The high is 95.90. Can you believe it? Look at that. Jesus Lord. Oh my God. I would short this gold 97, 96 up to 98 range if it gets up there. Come on. 95.90 really? This is the type of night it's going to be. All right. Strategy making? I don't know what that means. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Yeah, I can't wait for Hendrix to get here. I got to start training him right away. I'm going to start training him. All right. This is really, really unusual. Okay, again, Hendrix is going to be great execution. Look at this. I was offering gold at 96, and it just dropped $1. The high was 95.90. Oh my God. Just dropped $1.30. All right. I'm going to make him the first dog, right, the first trader dog. Execution. He'll be sitting there, putting it with his paws, putting all the orders in with the mouse. Boom, 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 boom. Have all the ladders up. Boom, boom, boom. He won't talk back, right? He won't talk back, Aaron, right? He won't talk back, and he'll just do what I tell him. I'll give him a bone every so often.
You want gold 96?
Yeah, small. Was it? No, I don't make strategies. I have strategies. Strategies I've written. Strategies I have written. Okay. Here, I can't believe this gold. All right, 9 o'clock. I gotta get him a wee pad, Justin. Really? All right. Let's see here. All right, this gold. Yeah, gold traded all the way down here on, and I saw the 15s getting deeply oversold here. Just got down here. Wow, 93 just rallied 3 here. All right. Let's see if we get a little bit of a push up here. Cover 1 at 70, come one, not 1.5. Cover 1 at 70, come 1.5 on gold. Cover 1.5. Cover one at 70. Are you in, or should I get Hendricks to do it?
Order filled.
Cover 1.5 on the gold. Cover 1 at 20 on the gold.
You just have one.
I thought it was 3.
No, you said one.
Oh my God. Where's Hendricks when I need him? If you're short the gold, look to cover below 95.5 here. Oh my God, look at, oh yeah, baby. Yeah, baby, Victor. There you go, gold. I thought it was short 5 gold. How, no, I didn't say that.
The ES to 1.
No, I did not. I did not. Oh, Hendricks, please get here by Labor Day. Anybody short that gold up there? Come on, Martin, get in there. Justin, Hendricks is 6 years old. He doesn't need a wee pad, okay? He doesn't need a wee pad. Oh. Good job, James Robertson. Good job. Short this gold at 96.80.
You want 3?
Yes, please. Okay. And then short more at 98.80.
Order filled.
Good.
Order filled.
Okay. Cover some at 96 and where am I here? Cover 96. 96. Where am I? 96.70. Short 97. Cover some at 96.70. Okay, I look to short this gold here, 15s, probably 97.5 up to, go up to even. Scaling, I was scaling to the short. Well, this S&Ps are doing nothing here. Short some at 97.80. Oh, my back. Cover some at 96.80.
It prints 97.9. Doesn't fill you.
Order filled.
All right. Cover some at 97.30, 97. S&Ps can't get going here. All right, just gonna take a little.
Order filled.
What's that?
97.8.
Cover 97.30, 97,
Order bound.
97.
Got 97.30.
All right, cover 97.10.
Order bound.
Cover 97. There you go, just trade in.
My sim's frozen because you're making money.
What?
It's frozen.
You can't be serious.
No, it was just frozen, but
Just bid 97.
you didn't get 97. You got 97.10.
Order bound.
There you go.
Cover 96.80 on the balance. Here we go. Well, how many am I?
You got 3 more.
Order bound.
There you go. Boom.
That's it, baby. That's how you do it. Lower your stops. Buy some more at 96.60. Cover 96 and a half. How many am I short?
You're flat.
Oh, I'm flat?
Said
All
you're on
right.
the balance.
I didn't hear you. There you go. Short 'em! That's it. Nice little trade there on gold. A little scalp short. 15s are still turning up. There's still a good chance to get above 98, though. You trade them. Right there. Get in there, Trevor. I gotta teach Trevor. I've known Trevor forever. Again, if you're trading a prop account, this is a great time to trade the markets, not the S&Ps for some reason, and not today. Okay, short some gold at 98.80. Okay, if it gets up there. And basically, this is a really good time, right? S&Ps, gold. Oh, geez, look at oil. I mean, you really can't trade what?
90.80, you said? Where?
What? Short some gold at 98.80. Oh my God, where's Hendricks? Okay. Well, I don't look at the Indian markets, the Nifty 50, no, but the software on TradingView works on the Nifty 50. Okay, it works on the Nifty 50. Anybody in the Jupiter area in Florida, you're more than welcome to come. Good job, Aaron. California breeze. Oh, Aaron, you should have seen Florida today. It's beautiful down here, brother. Beautiful. Beautiful. You have no idea. Again, if you guys want to, we're going to offer a new package here for the Asian markets here. Tokyo 2 Plus is the code. I don't know where that code came from. Tokyo 2 Plus. Sounds like a football play. Tokyo 2 Plus on 3. Break. Right? And then, let's see here. I went down to Costa Rica, and my friend went on his private plane and everything, short some gold at 98. And then I look at the gold drop. Jesus. So his son is playing Division II football as a quarterback, and he has to study like 90 plays. The freaking, I said, how could you memorize all these crazy, like, wide right flank, eagle left, tomahawk 4 on this? I'm like, what the hell are they talking about? I never had plays like that. It was like, just go kill somebody and break. Right? We were on defense, Oh, my God. I canceled the gold at 98. Go to 98 and a half. Cancel the 98.80. Of course, Jupiter, Florida is humid. It's summer here. We're supposed to have a hurricane this weekend, but I don't know. They're always wrong. Flagler County, baby. I love it there. That's where they have the fireworks, right? Victor, you should call me. The reason for the short, Martin, is because the 15-minute time frame on gold reversed the sell, and you have a sell disconnect, and it correlated with the 60.
Order bound.
What's that, 98 and a half? Cover some at 98.10. Okay. Cover 98.
Order bound.
What's that?
What's the rest of it?
Okay. So here, you see Aaron and Martin? freaking gold ran $5 off the low. Cover 98.30, 98.10. Bitcoin getting cabooshed. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Do you have my telephone number, Victor? Victor, you have my phone number?
Order filled.
That's 30 on the gold?
Yeah.
All right.
Come on.
All right, again, everybody, come on, S&Ps, wake up. You ain't kidding. Why is this gold rallying? Jesus, 15. Short more gold, 99 and a half. Shit, it just traded. I was about to say it, too. 2. Oh, my God. You get filled?
No.
Can you explain how it works? What works? Buy some S&Ps here at 5.5. 15s are deeply oversold here.
1 or 3?
Let's go 3. It's getting late now. Freaking gold around $6.
Order filled.
Gold.
Cover 99. This page, I don't understand the question. Cover 99 and 98.70. Gold needs to die, exactly.
Order filled.
Here you go. Here you go. I'm flat.
No, not yet.
Go to 99 and a half. 98 and a half, I mean.
I was gonna say.
Where am I short them? 98.80? 97 and a half. Just cover 97 and a half. 90,
2.
just cover 90, cover one at 97, cover one at 70, and one at a half, 8 and a half.
Order filled.
There you go. There you go.
Order filled.
There you go. Flat the gold. There you go, Aaron. It's Christmas in August. Short the gold again at 99.80. Aaron, I would lower your stops. Trade them. Okay. The MACD setup. All my strategies are based upon buy and sell divergences. I use the MACD a lot of times in combination with all my other indicators. Okay. You can explain the comment by checking the application, so I don't understand the graph you are currently using. The graph I'm currently using is a chart that I built my chart overlay on
Order
trade.
filled.
What is that?
You're flat gold now. You got 1 more.
Oh, I didn't know that. Now you tell me?
You got 98 and
Okay.
Order filled.
E-minis?
a half. Yeah.
Just buy a little bit here. See if the 15s can turn up here. What a short at 69 up there. Jesus, Lord God. This is a chart that I built my chart overlay on TradeStation here. Okay? And it really gives me the ability to see the patterns and everything that I built here. I don't even like the market. The 15s are deeply oversold here, though. I knew this gold was going to turn up here. All right. So basically what you're looking at here, this is just bar data, right? Okay. Yep. if you want to join SK Trading, we have SKTrading.live. We have the code here. Okay, we have the code, and it's the welcome code, and it's welcome 10. You get 10% off on the plans here. Hey Jay, how are you? Oh, I'm so bearish, I can't even tell you. I'm just looking for a rally to short the world. Yeah, you could trade. Hello, Hawaiian. You could trade calls and puts. Buy some S&Ps at 4.5. You could trade. You could trade. Definitely trade. I have someone who trades Tesla all day long, just trading call options and put options and whatever options. A lot of people do that. Oh my God, gold just got absolutely kabooshed. If you're a basic trader, if you're new at this, it's going to take some time, okay? But I'm confident that you're able to sell some S&Ps at 5.5. I'm confident that you'll learn. Yeah, it's getting late. It's confident that I'm very confident that you'll learn. There you go, Aaron. Great job. I'm confident that you'll learn with the methodology. Everybody's different, okay? Everybody's different. Some people learn faster than others. I can't, but if you be part of the community, you ask questions, you watch the videos, you come to my webinars, you come to my live stream every day, I'm confident. Okay?
I shot.
What happened?
He's flat gold at like 97.
Tony Kurt, how far is NASDAQ going to run? I've been trying to short it for 2 weeks. I'm going to get stopped out. I don't position trade like that. That's, you jump in front of it. Look at this gold. Oh my God. Okay.
Wow, it's a short.
I like the S&P.
Order filled.
Okay, I like the S&P. Sell some at 65. I like the S&P. Only look at this gold. Oh my God Almighty! I like the S&P only because of the fact that it's the only. I mean, have I ever traded the Nasdaq before? Absolutely, but I like the S&P here. I would take a long on this S&P 60.5 to 64.5 range. Okay. Short some at 65.
Yeah.
I'll sell some at 65. And then 65, yeah. Oh my God, gold just got kabooshed. Oh my God, almost $3 on the gold. I don't really do position trading. Like if right now, for example, if you really ask me a question, I'm not allowed to give investment advice. If I would be looking to buy SPXUs and SQQQs up the yin yang. I think there's downside to come. Okay? Come on. Who is this, JV? What is this nonsense? I don't like trading into position trading into big economic numbers. It's not something I think. Oh my God, gold just dropped $3, man. You gotta be kidding me. Was it $4? 99.5 I sold. Oh my God. That's the first bounce on the double red. Jesus, Lord God, Stephen. Oh my God. See, that's a set strategy. The 15s reverse the sell, you short the first bounce on the 5. That's the strategy. All right. Oh my God, I'm sick to my stomach. $5. Justin, tell me you're short, Justin. First bounce on the 5 after the 15s got reversed to sell. So that's technically, I shouldn't have scalped that. If anybody's still short to go, fill the coolers. These S&Ps sometimes can drive me crazy. Oh my God Almighty, $6 on gold. So basically, bear flag. I didn't think it was going to do this. 15's reverse the sell. It correlated with the 60. This is the first bounce on the 5-minute time frame. In case Sarah. Oh my God. Joey Satori, now batting, number 16, second baseman, Joe Satori. I love this name. Look at his gold. How often does gold do that? Poof. Anybody want to answer that one? Good job. Well, what options would you recommend? I don't like options trading. I like futures trading, but if you're going to trade options, you trade the, obviously, the bi-weeklies in the money, right? Aaron, great job. The drinks are on Aaron today. No, I'm only kidding. You have no idea what's going on. Well, you did get here about an hour and 25 minutes late. But if you want to learn more, please come to sktrading.live. Okay, sktrading.live here. And we stream every day from 9 to 4. How many ticks? I don't use ticks, I use points. Gold is an animal, I have to say. Gold is a complete animal. Hello from Morocco. Hello, Med. Come on, Aaron. Buy me a Johnny Walker Blue. My God, I can't tell you how many Johnny Walker Blues I have in my house. You got $50. All right. So anyway, again, if you want to join, we're gonna create a new product here once a week. I haven't picked a day. It's probably gonna be a Tuesday or Thursday. We're gonna do the night session here. Hey, G Monty. Oh, we got a great name. Any names ends in a vowel. I love it. My mother's maiden name was Leone, Mama Leone. May she rest in peace, my mother. If you have the Tokyo 2 Plus, Tokyo 2 Plus 1 is the name of the code for the name of the code for the 3-month special. $69.95. We're gonna buy more S&Ps 3.5. I have a channel. Yes, I have a channel. You buy them?
No, it's in there.
I'm Armenian, correct. I'm Armenian, absolutely. All right. What a drop in the gold. Oh my God almighty, $6. So that's a set strategy. First bounce on the 5 after the 15 correlated with the 60-minute time frame. Should have really just scalped that a little bit, but I never expected the drop of $7 on the gold. Oil is actually acting up here. I'm very surprised. Oil really doesn't trade that much. If you go to sctrading.live, Armen, okay, we stream every day from 9 to 4. And again, what I like to do is
Order filled.
okay.
3.5. You got 9.
Okay. Sell everything. Sell 5 to 4.5 and 4 to 4 3/4. Are you USA U.S. stock trader? Yeah, yes, absolutely. Tony Kuyar, it takes time to follow, not gonna lie. Freaking S&P's at 65 3 times. I couldn't sell my stupid lot. Ethereum absolutely is a great thing to look at and trade. S&P's, you have a 6 oversold condition on the 15. They should pop here. How do you get the charts? You go to sktrading.live. sktrading.live. And anybody who wants to join my stream from 9 to 4, you can just go. We have a special here, 10% off on any of the plans. Welcome 10. Welcome 10. Okay? I do not look at XAU. Please, if anybody asks me about XAU again, I'm going to slip my wrist like Frank Pantangeli in The Godfather. Okay? I can't take it. Okay? I really. How many trades a day do I do? I don't know, a couple hundred, maybe. Look at this view from DX. Look at this. Ban this guy. He's driving me crazy. Put him in the bathroom, something. I can't take. Is that you doing that? You better not. If that's you, if that's you, you're going right out the door. Forget
I
it.
wish I had that kind of creativity. That'd be fun.
I'm not
You're
Indian.
gonna get banned, dude.
I know. You're gonna get banned, dude. Okay, that's it. Banned.
Yeah.
Somebody put him in the bathroom. Banned. Short some gold at 95.80. 90, 96. Just short small. 96. 96 quick. Quick, Michael.
Order filled.
All right. 96.20. Got it.
96.10 average.
All right. Just trade small up. Short some more 97.10. I can't believe this gold just shot up like that. Oil. Look at this oil. Oil's all over the place. Well, that's not a problem. Cover some gold at 10. Oh, I love mentoring. How do you get my...
Order filled.
Cover some at 96. Quick.
Order filled.
Cover some at 70. Cover some at 70.
Flat.
Drop! Cover the shorts. I would cover shorts in gold. There you go. There you go. Oh my God. What a short. I love this golden night. Frank, you got to be switching over to the gold, Frankie Ooch. Look at this drop. Look at this. Anywhere from 3 to 10 lots. Anybody, look, I'm very outgoing here. If anybody ever wants to text me or call me, first of all, let me say something from the bottom of my heart, okay? I have a lot of people watching me on YouTube. I have a lot of people watching me on Instagram, TikTok, whatever. I do not DM, okay? So people are scamming me left and right, Discord. So I have a podcast every night, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly, okay? And I will tell you, it's a great podcast. You guys should watch it. I go over the trades of the day. I teach you the patterns. I teach you the methodology, okay? And it's a really great session here. Buy some more S&Ps at 2.5. And it really is a great, actually buy 6 there. Actually, it's a really great session, and for me, it gives me a lot of great joy because for me, it's something that I'm able to express and communicate, okay? And so if people want to learn from me, again, the short gold, GLD, I'd probably short it. The fives might turn up here. I would wait. And if anybody wants to text me or call me, I give out my personal cell phone number, 914-500-7484. Okay? So I do not DM, and I do not reach out to people on Discord. Okay? Where can you see the podcast? On my YouTube channel at SK, what's it? SK Trading. How can I forget that? All right. All right. I love this game. Love this game. Okay. Come on, S&Ps, turn up here. Look at this oversold condition. Come on, rally. Give me a pop to 66. Short some gold at 97.80. Oh my God, unbelievable. If I only had a brain. This is not recorded. All right. All right, so let's see. Phone number again, 914-500-7484. Okay, I give it out every night on my podcast as well. And those of you who are trading, okay, I'm looking to buy the S&Ps here. You're deeply oversold here. I'm looking for a push up, potentially to 64, 65. Okay? The podcast is recorded. Yes, that is recorded. I hate the S&Ps sometimes like this, man. They don't even move here. Short some S&P, sell some S&Ps at 64, 64 and a quarter, 64 and a half. Do you like Forex? I love Forex. Forex is great. The pound dollar was one of my favorite. Mark Houlihan, I hope you got that short before in the gold. I got to tell you, that's not really true, Aaron. Sometimes they are really, 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 really good. I'll tell you that. Really good. I'll tell you that. All right, we got about 24 minutes till the end here. I'm sorry the S&Ps really didn't cooperate tonight. Gold I thought was good, though, here. Okay. Again, oil, not so much here. But, 914-500-7484. Okay? All right. Where am I offering the gold? Where am I offering the gold?
897.8.
Order filled.
Okay. What's that?
Gold.
All right. Cover some at a half. Yeah, I built quant strategies. Going to be automating it real soon here. I'm exhausted.
Order filled.
Flat.
I bought them?
Yeah.
Where'd you buy them? 97 and a half?
Yeah.
Short more at 98.20, 98.30. You crazy? You traded down to 7 and a half?
Yeah.
Oh my God, I didn't see it. Podcast,
Order filled.
short it, right?
Yeah, 98.30.
Cover 98, 90. Oh my God, I can't believe this gold rally like that. I'm going to try to work on that, Aaron. These S&Ps, yeah, whoever bought that 69 and a half print, he jumped. Shoot more at 99.30. Cover one at 99, 98.30, 98.10, and 97.80. My God. I love it. I love it, love it, love it.
Order filled.
S&Ps, all right. What's my average?
62. Your average is
3.5?
yeah, 3 3/4.
Cancel the offers above.
Order filled.
Cover, let's see here. Look at this gold rally, $6. What the heck? So some gold, S&P is 3.5, 3 3/4, and 4. Cover gold at 98.80, 70, 50, and 30. Buy him, Michael. Michael. Come on, Michael. Just trade down to 70. Did you get him?
No, you have the orders in there.
How'd you not buy him? I said buy him. What'd I say? 80, 70.
70, 50, 30.
It traded down to 70.
You didn't get it.
Okay. All right. Should be covering this gold here. 80, 70 and a half. You buy them at 80?
No.
I said buy them at 80, 70, 60, 50, 30, 40. It's 70 bid, so how can I not buy them?
Talk to Greg. I don't know.
Order filled.
I don't make this software.
All right, I don't need a back talk and comment. All right. Oh, these freaking S&Ps. Look at the 15s. The 30s are deeply oversold here.
S&Ps, you got 15.
Mm-hmm. S&P's got to get a push up here. Getting late. This is my own. This is a chart built on TradeStation here. Got to be kidding me! This session here. Cover gold here at 70 and 60 and 50. $70 should be filled.
Order filled.
Black gold.
Okay, I gotta get these S&Ps to turn up. Yeah, damn it, Michael, right. It's not every night. It's gonna be one night a week. Oh, come on, gold drop. Wait till these 15s roll over. There's no stocks trading right now. There's index futures. Hey everybody, welcome from Argentina. Sell S&Ps at 3.5 and 3 3/4. Actually go, let's see, 3 1/4, 3.5, 3 3/4. It's a separate subscription, Derek. Come on, S&Ps, do something, NASDAQ. Run 3, 4, 5. Short some gold at even 80. That's 3,480. Okay, so you understand. Trading gold and S&P futures. Okay, these S&Ps brutal. Oh, geez. Short some gold at 99.80. Sorry. Frank, can you give me a push here on the S&Ps, please, to 64?
Order filled.
Gold, 99.80.
Okay. Cover some gold at a half, 5.5.
Order filled.
Cover some at 20 and 30. Oh, come on. Short some gold at even 80. You're still bidding what, a half? What am I bidding gold? Half?
30, 20.
No, go half 30. These freaking S&Ps. Look at this. Look at the 15-minute time frames. I haven't seen this. Look at this. Come on, man. It depends on how much time you put into it, to be bluntly honest with you. Van Don.
Order filled.
Gold, 480.
Okay. Look at this gold running $8. Cover some at a half, 40.5. Why can't this? I'm telling you, gold's the best thing to trade at night. Go 40.5 and 40.10. 40.5 and 40.30. Why can't the S&Ps do this? Cover 40.5, 40.30. Oh my God, somebody ring the bell. 15's getting way overboard up here. Oil's been trading nicely though. I've never seen the S&Ps do this. This is a slow death. Short more gold at 41.80. All right, I'll be shorting this gold here. 01. You can go like 01 and a half to 03 and a half range.
Order filled.
Or 180.
Jesus Christ, what's going on? Cover 01 and a half and 01.30.
Order filled.
Okay.
That's higher. I got 4 left.
All right, cover 2 at 40 and a half and 40.30. Hurry up, it's dropping. It's dropping. It's dropping. Dropping. Cover this gold below 41. I cover.
Order filled.
Cover this gold. There you go. These freaking S&Ps. This NASDAQ should be bought here. NASDAQ probably even to 25. Cover the
Order filled.
Flat gold.
flat gold. Good job. What a short on the gold. Oof. Van Don. How are you? All right, I'd be flat to gold. S&Ps, again, I'd be looking to buy 60.5 to 64. 60 to 64. Should get a push up here. Deeply oversold. If they push up to 63, 63.5, 64, I'd be looking to exit longs. That gold was beautiful. Look at this gold. Beautiful. Aaron, I'd probably buy a little bit more gold S&Ps here for a push. Gold just dropped $4. No, but there are gaps below the market that I don't know if are truly. It's all the S&Ps at still some at 63 if it gets up there. All gaps get filled, but there are gaps like down to like 51.80. Do I think they're going to get filled? Yeah, they'll probably get filled sometime in 2026. Do I think they're going to get filled now? No, I do think the gaps down to 5,700 could potentially get filled between now and the end of the year. Okay. All right. That was a beautiful pattern on the gold there. Beautiful pattern. Hey, Way knows from Sydney, Australia. Unfortunately, I do, like I said, I do believe all gaps will get filled. So some S&Ps are 63. Here we go, Aaron, S&Ps. Aaron, if you bought some more, I'd probably look to break even, or it's getting late. Or 62 and 3/4, 63. Okay.
62, 3/4, 63, you said?
No, I'm telling Aaron that if he bought more down there. So some S&Ps that it's getting late. 2 and 3/4, 3, 3 1/4, 3.5. It's getting late. I mean, the 15s are deeply oversold here. I mean, they're going to turn up, but probably after I leave, they'll run to 66, 67. Gold traded down about 3. All right, everybody. Again, thank you for joining me here tonight. It was a little slow here. S&Ps pushed up to 69.5. Of course, Michael went to the bathroom during that time period. Would have been a great short. With that being said, if you want to join, we're going to offer a new product here once a week, the Tokyo session from 8 to 10. It's really slow here. It wasn't like this last week, however. Damn if you do, damn if you don't on certain nights. There's some nights I'm texting everybody how crazy it is, and they're all jumping on. I'm going to get Hendrickson here, absolutely.
Order filled.
Okay, scaling out of some of the S&Ps here. It's getting late. Okay, 63. Aaron, I'd probably be getting out here, getting late, unless you want to stick it around. Also, if you're new and you want to join SK Trading, 92 full days. Right now, we're offering a plan, 92 full days of access. We're offering $139.90, so it's a pretty good special. Also, if you're new, we have a code here, welcome10, to go to our sktrading.live. And also, if you want to join the Asian market session that we're going to be hosting once a week, we'll pick a night, and it's going to be Tokyo 2+1. That is the code. Okay. $2,000 a day does not suck. S&Ps, I'll be scaling out any longs here, 62 and 3/4 to 64 range. Okay. Stephen Perry, how are you? Giuseppe Lombardo, hello, Steve, long day. Love the energy and good night. See you in the morning. All right. And anybody new out there, you can text me at 914-500-7484. Trevor, I will call you tomorrow. I have to teach Trevor. Okay. He's dying to learn. All right. Supposed to be here this week, but I'll get him down here. And, all right. Getting late here in the game. I cannot believe the S&Ps are not moving. This is really unusual. There are some nights they're moving 5 to 10 handles at a clip. Thank you, Trevor. Yep. Trevor, I'll call you probably. What's that?
63 on SPs.
Sold them, right?
Yeah, you got 9 more.
Just sell them. Just sells half at 3 and then half at 3 1/4. I just want to get out of here. It's late. It's time for. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. All right. Again, let's see here. It's 5 o'clock somewhere down. Look at this gold going right back up. Short some gold at 0180. You can contact me on WhatsApp, 914-500-7484. Again, if you'd like to contact me on WhatsApp. Well, there you go. Wow. Somebody that's made 10 big ones today, trading gold. Beautiful. Wow. Oh my God. Congrats. Beautiful. Beautiful. Freaking S&Ps made you rot in hell. Look at this. Cancel the gold. It's getting late. Wow, good job. Good job. I'm not going to mention the person's name. 914-500-7484. All right. I can't believe the freaking NASDAQ just rallied here. Usually I have to say gold is the asset that everybody likes to trade. Not really. I got to tell you, not really. I have to tell you, the S&Ps really move. Gold, oil, not so much. I mean, there's some nights here that the S&Ps are flying. I'm texting people who really love the night session. They all jump in, you know. All right, we got about 3 minutes to go here today. Again, my funded futures code SK 10%. Really great prop firm. Also, if you like another one, the Legends Trading is another one. You could check them out. Use code SK. All right, there as well. Short some gold here at 80, 401.80. Oh, boom, right down. Jesus, Lord God Almighty. How'd that happen? All right. All right. Again, we're going to be looking to create a product here for once a week. Haven't decided what night yet. It's funny. I did a Wednesday night. That was okay. I did a Tuesday night. It was completely insane. Monday night, a couple weeks ago, I was just here watching them just to get an evaluation. That was pretty crazy. I did a Thursday night. That was pretty insane. I don't know. The basic discipline is learning the patterns, learning this methodology. So that's that. I haven't seen the S&Ps do this. An oversold reading like this, they should have been up 64, 65. I said, pour me something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. Only 12:30, but I don't care. All right, everybody. Still got some S&Ps on. I'm still going to hold them. Hopefully they get up to the 63 level here. I'll be here till about 11. Michael's going to go home. I'll manage the position. And then let's see here. Gold, if it trades up, I'll be looking to short it against the 15 overbought condition here. All right, I want to say thank you very much for joining me here tonight. Again, if you'd like to join me every day at sktrading.live, that's the website. Again, sold the gold? So it covers them at 1.5 and 30 and 10. Again, welcome 10 is the code. Also, buy some S&Ps at 1.5 here for me.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled.
There you go. There's the gold. I'll just cover the short. And then, am I flat?
You got one more.
Just cover it at 10 or 20. I don't care. On the gold. Also, flat on the gold. Okay. Boom. All right. Okay, everybody. Again, if you wanted to join me here for the Tokyo session, Tokyo 2+1. All right. Thank you very much, everybody. God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. Be well, everybody. Thank you for joining.